without a doubt. I've been around. Yeah, everybody knows my name when I show up now. And I've been from New York to LA and every place in between, but they don't do it like we do it in my hometown. Ain't a thing changed round here but the money. You try to mix it up and let me tell you something. Same liquor in my Dixie, same rowdy bunch with me. I'll be laid up in the dirt